Anesthesiologists, what are the best things people have said under the gas? Not anesthesia, but patient was heavily sedated in ICU, nurse gave an enema, half-conscious response, honey you know I don't like it that way. I had a patient start a joke before surgery and finish it when they woke up without promoting. My husband went under last year, and once he woke up, by appearances he was as sober as a church mouse. Walking, asking serious questions of the doctor, apparently no issues are all. He remembered the procedure and described it to me in detail. I figured he just never went completely under. He was craving Chinese food, and nothing would do except for buffet, so we headed down and loaded up our first load of plates. Evidently, he actually woke up from the anesthesia at the buffet. As far as he remembers, he was put under and woke up in front of a plate of chicken teriyaki on a stick. Not an anesthesiologist, but when I severely dislocated and broke my knee I apparently gave one of the doctors that was just finishing resetting my leg a huge slap on the back and yelled it's fixed. You guys are the best doctors I've ever seen. Giving a 5-star review. Wife said the nurses were cracking up. I'm a pretty big guy and the DR I gave the friendly pat on the back was a relatively small dude. When I got put under for a colonoscopy I didn't really fall asleep during the countdown. I just looked at the nurse a bit confused and said I don't notice anything. And she smiled and squeezed my wrist and said just give it a moment. As soon as she said that I started fading out and according to her the last thing I mumbled was oh that's fucked, you magic witch. My wife is an anesthesiologist. When she was in fellowship she had a patient say they saw dicks dripping off the ceiling, ketamine infusion. I was given a relaxer prior to colonoscopy and was rolled into the room. Doctor asked me what I had done that weekend. I said I went to the MN State Fair. Oh, she says eat anything interesting. I said why don't you tell me? No laughter whatever in the room. And then I was out. I swear she gave an extra shove because I half woke up during the procedure and remember groaning. Nurse anesthetist here. When I was in school I was getting ready to get a lady off to sleep and going through my regular spiel. I had the mask on her face and I said nice big breaths as I pushed propofol. Right before she went out she said thanks, I just had them done. I looked at my preceptor, we looked at the circulator, and we all burst out laughing. I now say slow deep breaths instead. I love telling that story, that lady made all our days. I am an anesthetist, so I hear pretty funny things daily, but one sticks out. After a routine surgery we are wheeling the patient out of the room and the stretcher gets caught on a wire, a common occurrence. Well I look under and ask the nurse what are we on, and the patient replies super loudly, I dunno but it's fucking awesome. Made me chuckle. I went under for a nasal canal surgery and apparently after the surgery I was holding the nurse's hand and repeating I love you, don't leave me over and over. My dad works with that stuff, funniest thing he's heard is hey MR doctor? My ass itches and I'm too high to scratch. Edit, no he didn't help, the dude passed out right after. My uncle is one and he said someone started singing Phantom of the Opera. Then immediately started rapping mumbled lines. Edit, he said he couldn't make out the words he was rapping. My wife is an anesthesiologist and her best line from a patient is this is better than meth. Patient, when I was coming up from shoulder surgery on a pretty substantial dose of fentanyl, my wife told me that I looked at the head nurse and said, your boobs are spectacular, I want to see them. I have no memory of it, but apparently the wife was mortified, and the nurse thought it was hysterical. She also said it wasn't particular unusual to get comments of that sort. Not an anesthesiologist, but when I went in for my gallbladder surgery the nurse was an old co-worker and I blurted out on the table I knew you'd see me naked before I was out. After getting my wisdom teeth removed I looked at my mother-in-law and said, how did you get on my rocket ship? Not an anesthesiologist, but when my stepdad was going under for a surgery, he was almost out but at a sweet point that the doctor told my mom she could ask him anything and he wouldn't be able to help but answer truthfully. She asked, "Do you love me?" My stepdad replied, "You need to go on and get your little Yoda shoes." I'm pretty sure Yoda doesn't even wear shoes. I'm an anesthesiologist. I was recently taking care of a 17-year-old kid and he looks at me and says, "Dude, I am high as fuck." They almost never remember it afterward. I broke my hand tumbling once and had to get surgery. He goes to put the mask on my face and says, "This is oxygen." I cough as the mask goes on. He pulls the mask away and I said, "I trusted you. You lying fuck." That's the last thing I remember. When I was 9 and having jaw surgery, the surgeon was putting me under and said, "Say bye to your mommy." And apparently 9-year-old me thought that meant they were going to kill me. My mother says I gave her a look of absolute terror and then passed out. Thanks for the silver. I didn't die, so I consider it a net win. Yeah nah, but as a 13-year-old tonsillectomy patient, the 1-ounce cocktail I drank prior to anesthesiology didn't quite knock me out. A few surgical residents wheeled me into the theater before the surgeon/anesthesiologist arrived. One said to the other, his eyes just opened, "What do we do?" Another chimed in, "Talk to him." The third, not sure what to say, opened the kit and said, "Here's the blade we'll be making the incision with." I just had surgery this morning and I guess all I said was "I love fentanyl" when I woke up. I was the patient. I did slightly remember the OR crew laughing amidst my high but couldn't remember why. A nurse told me this when I regained consciousness and got a hold of myself. She said when the anesthesiologist told me he was going to inject me with propofol, after I was already injected with a substance he claimed was my appetizer, I yelled out, "Michael Jackson, Enoch." Edit, forgot to initially mention I'm not an anesthesiologist. I had to go under for ear surgery once. I thought it'd be funny if I asked, "Does anyone need anything while I'm out?" right before I went under. I remember it kicking in way quicker than I thought it would, so I had to take my chance while I still had it. I yelled it but got a very confused look from everyone standing around me. Took a minute for me to realize I had accidentally yelled it while I was waking up from surgery. Oops. Not an anesthesiologist, but when I was in the wear-off room after my wisdom teeth removal I started talking about dark doors and mind bees that were tearing me apart from the inside. I recall nothing. Not an anesthesiologist, but as I was going under for my shoulder recon, I realized the surgeons were blasting Back in Black by AC/DC, and I said, "Hey, is that AC/DC?" Super confused, thought I lost the plot, and the surgeon comes over me, face mask and surgical goggles on, looks me dead in the eye and says, "Of course. What else are we going to rock out to while we operate?" 1 second later I passed out. I was a patient. I went in the get a MRI at 7. They injected me with something and I said, "Wow, that made me really sleepy." Then the doctor said, "Fucker shouldn't be able to talk." I still haven't told anyone I remember that. I'm pretty sure my mother was in the room, but I don't know. When I was getting put out, I heard this cheesy jazz music in the operating room. I said, "Of course Dr. R listens to this garbage." Dr. R immediately appeared next to me looking none too thrilled. Then I went under. Edit to say the rapist. Not the rapist. My brother went under and on his way out he said, "Holy fuck, you are beautiful and I'm in love," to the nurse anesthetist. Not under GA, but when I was giving birth I was pretty out of it. The radio was playing in the operating room, and Uncle Kracker came on. I apparently yelled, "I am not bringing my child into the world to this shit." They turned the radio off. Kind of a reverse story. Going under to get my appendix removed, they begin doing the countdown as they inject a hefty dose of propofol and fentanyl to put me out. I count down to 1 and then ask, "Now what?" The surgeon looks at me and says, "You're still awake? Man. You are fat, you know that." I said, "You're just saying that because you think I won't remember." He said, "Exactly. That's the last thing I remember." When I woke up from surgery, the doctors asked if I wanted anything to eat. You got those crackers that come in packs of 6 with the cheese? No, we don't have those. Aw fuck man, that's bullshit. We have the peanut butter ones, though. Ah, yeah, bitchin'. Mom's a PACU nurse, basically where the people go to wake up after surgery. Some of the men wake up and hit on the nurses, lots of kids try to stand up and scream. Best story was the man who actually stood up and proceeded to get his dick out and helicopter with it. I had surgery last week for the first time. Apparently, right after they gave me the drugs I started talking about how cute my boyfriend's butt is. I was telling this to 3 male doctors. Edit, getting a silver award actually makes my broken ankle hurt a bit less. Thank you. Me coming to after getting wisdom teeth out. So how long until the anesthetic kicks in? Oh, your surgery is already done. Already? Man, that was fast. It's been 2 hours. Whoa, did I just time travel? Not an anesthesiologist, but I knew a guy who had surgery and afterwards wanted to go home. He wasn't recovered enough to, and the nurse wasn't gonna let him get up yet. He turned to the nurse and said, "You may not realize this, but I'm a ninja and we heal 3 times faster than normal people." At that the nurse stopped trying to keep him in bed, he stood and immediately ate the floor. My buddy told me a story about when he went under. He kept turning to his wife and telling her how hot the doctor and nurses were and how they were going to touch his manhood because he was getting a vasectomy, and how she allowed him to get the procedure done. I went in for leg surgery a while back, and I actually ended up, while under, waking up and like trying to flirt with the nurse during the surgery, didn't feel a thing, didn't remember a thing. The doc called me smooth jazz for a long time because I tried posting like the R&B artists in the 90s when trying to flirt, laying down, one leg up, propped up. He said it was the funniest shit he's ever seen. I remember none of this. Before I went in for hernia surgery, a medical student came in and asked if I had any questions. I replied yes. Why would you have me shave my entire body, eyebrows and all, for a hernia repair? She looked terrified and asked who specifically told me to do this. I have alopecia universalis, no hair anywhere, gotta have some fun with it. No anesthesia at this point. Patient, not a doctor, but in junior high I came out of anesthesia lying on top of a nurse. I was totally confused. I introduced myself and asked if she knew why I was on top of her. She said I had tried to get up to go to the bathroom. She told me no and then tried to stop me. She said I did some kind of wrestling takedown and then pinned her. As I became lucid, I couldn't apologize enough. She said she was used to dealing with younger patients and it was okay. Hearing this story was the only time my coach said he was proud of me. My anesthesiologist tried to calm me down with a joke when I was a little kid being put under. My mom later told me about how I apparently commented on the joke being not at all funny and how I hoped he was more talented as a doctor. Also, just a patient and also redhead, so it's harder to put or keep us under. During wisdom teeth operation my phone rang in my pocket. I answered it with a mouthful of gauze and just said Wong Nwamba, and that was that. Not an anesthesiologist, but my husband kept telling the medical staff after his procedure that it's okay, my wife's a doctor. She knows what you're talking about. I'm a lawyer. Edit, punctuation. After my father-in-law's prostate surgery, he spent about 45 minutes telling every person who walked by, "I feel a little woozy." He also kept asking if the doctor had already been in to see him. The answer was yes. Some 14-year-old kid whispered, "I fucked your mom." My adult sister had a pretty checkered past involving drugs. Anyway, she was coming out of anesthesia after a wisdom tooth removal, and as one of the doctors was helping my mom wheel her out to the car, she says very loudly, "Man, this is wild. I mean, and I've taken some pretty crazy stuff." My mom was like, "SMDH. My girlfriend said, "Smacks bed hot, damn that burns like a peanut sandwich." Obligatory, not an anesthesiologist's, but I'm told that when waking up from getting my wisdom teeth out, I rattled off a very long list of the girls in my high school I wanted to bang, one of which was the dentist's daughter. Not an anesthesiologist's, but 2 times I been under G.A. The first one I was about 16 and getting my wisdom teeth, all 4 removed. I looked at the doctor and my mom and said, "I'm so fucking high right now." Made for an interesting conversation next day. The second one, the anesthesiologist said, "Okay, so this is going to feel like you just had a beer," and I looked at him and said, "Just one." And that was it until I woke up, haha. When my uncle came out of surgery over a decade ago and was hopped up on morphine, he asked the elderly Asian nurse, "Miss, will I be able to play the piano?" And she sternly replied, "Yes sir, no problem, you can play the piano," while continuing to adjust his bed and machines. Immediately he goes, "That's great, because I wasn't able to play it before," and started to snort and giggle at himself. My whole family bursts out laughing. This nurse just kept working on, looking confused / bored, and missed the joke entirely. My brother woke up after brain surgery, called me, and screamed, "My nurse is a N***er," which is also the first time he has ever used the N-word. Not one, but I remember waking up and hearing *, "Hey, you're finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that imperial ambush, same as us, and that thief over there. *. I love the implication that the devil can't count backwards. Why do you only shave one of your arms? That's awesome. I was having a broken wrist set and the doctor told me to count from 100. He told me afterward that I got to 50, stopped for about 5 minutes, started back up and finished. I can just imagine it going like, "What do you call a guy a rubber toe dash? _hours later _ Roberto. Okay, that's wild, lol. My dad had a double knee replacement years ago, and for a week in the hospital held conversations, entertained visitors, normal as can be. Except he doesn't remember any of it. Like, at all. Between the anesthesia and painkillers, he was lit the whole time. This one is my favorite. As someone who gets those medically, can totally see this happening. My cousin had a similar experience before his colonoscopy. They gave him the relaxer and he then started calling his gown his dress and kept trying to cover his butt because it's not time for his close-up yet. Holy shit, that's funny. Ha ha ha. That reminds me of when my BF got his wisdom teeth out. He took a long time to come back around. We went to the pharmacy to pick up his meds, and he demanded he be allowed to come inside instead of wait in the car. I reluctantly obliged because I was nervous about what he'd do if I left him alone, and every stranger we came into contact with he gave the bloodiest smile, literal blood dripping out onto his shirt, saying, "I just got my wisdom teeth out." Most customers were not amused. Edit, thanks for the silver. I've never received any medallions in my life before. I'm feeling pretty special. This is hilarious. I could easily see this being on a show like Scrubs. I was getting ready to get a lady off. Isn't that the best time to say it? I'm a CNA, female, in my 50s. I was assisting a lady in her 90s who needed 2 people to help her up. My coworker was a very young and easily embarrassed dude. In reaching for the gate belt, I pinched this poor woman's nipple, and she yelped. I apologized profusely. "That's okay, it's not like they haven't been pinched before," she replied happily, and my coworker almost fainted in horror. Reminds me of that one video where a girl is under anesthesia and proposes to the male nurse. "Did your daddy scratch it?" / rapping. Not raping, as in rape. Reminds me of when I tried liquor for the first time with my parents as a teenager and I accidentally told them that I liked vodka better. I guess they are spectacular then. Well, don't leave me chubbin', did she show you? Glorious. After my wisdom teeth removal, I woke up babbling about pink Cadillacs. Dick move by the doctor. Imagine if the guy answered no. Your dad is into some role playing. One with the D, your mother is.